Hello guys, Sinbad here from the Binomial Expansion Group, and today I'm going to be giving you a maths tutorial about standard form notation. Okay, so what is standard form? Essentially, it's a new way of writing numbers. So, how does it work? First, let's do a bit of basic background maths. What is 10 to the power of 1? Well, anything to the power of 1 is itself, so that's just equal to 10. How about 10 to the 2? Oh, not 10, not 12, 10 to the 2 equals, well that's equal to 10 times 10, 10 times 10 equals 100. What about 10 to the 3? Well that's equal to 10 times 10 times 10 again, which is equal to 1000. And have you noticed a pattern here? When there's a power of 1, there's 1 0. When there's a power of 2, 2 zeros. When there's power of 3, there are 3 zeros. Okay? So, this is an overall pattern and it works with any number. For example, 10 to the 10, without doing any calculations, is 1 followed by 10 zeros. That's a lot of zeros there. Okay? And that works for any number. Up to any amount. What 10 to the 100 is equal to 1 followed by 100 zeros, and so on. Okay? And so you can write very large numbers in a very simple form here, just by writing 10 to whatever power you want, really, however many zeros there are. Okay? So we know that 10 to the 3 equals 1000, 1 followed by 3 zeros. What about if we had something like 3 times 10 to the 3. Well, that is equal to 3 times 1000 is 3000, okay? Or 3 followed by 3 zeros, okay? What if we had 9 times 10 to the 4, okay? Well, 10 to the 4 is 1 followed by 4 zeros. However, because it's 9 times 10 to the 4 is actually 9 followed by 4 zeros. And so that is equal to 90,000, okay? And all three of these are examples of standard form notation. So, standard form is anything written in the form a times 10 to the power of b, where both a and b are, where a is a positive number, b can be negative, but in that case it is smaller than 1, and where a is greater than or equal to 1, but a is less than 10. Okay? So that means that a is a number between 1 or 10. So, what if you had something like 18 times 10 to the 4, and you want to put that in standard form notation? Well, what we know is that that is 18 followed by 4 zeros. So 18 followed by 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. Okay? And 180,000. However, how do we put that into standard form? Well, because this is a multiplication, if we times this by 10, then we divide this by 10. And if we divide this by 10, then we times this by 10. So, what we do is we go down like that, and we go divide 10, and we go down like that, we go times 10, okay, and because it's multiplication it cancels out. So we've got 18 divided by 10 is 1.8 times, well, 10 to the 4 times 10 is 10 to the 4 times 10 to the 1 is equal to 10 to the 4 plus 1, 10 to the 5. So that is equal to 1.8 times 10 to the 5. Okay? Equally well, what if we had something like 0.9 times 10 to the 3? Okay? Well, last time we divided this by 10, this time we're going to multiply it by 10. So, down times 10, and obviously this one we do the opposite, we divide by 10. So 0.9 times 10 is just 9. And 10 to the 3 divided by 10, 10 to the 3 minus 1 is 10 to the 2. And that is in standard form. Okay? So, next time we are going to be looking at what happens when you have something like 0.9 times 10 to the minus 3, say, and what happens then. And also how to change standard form back to an ordinal number and vice versa. Thank you for watching.